Hello guys, welcome back to Practice House. So in this video we are going to learn about a Java program to find all installed printers in your computer. So if you don't like the video, you can go back to practicehouse.com and you can find out this article where I have written everything along all the codes and examples and then output and everything. So let's open the Eclipse and I demonstrate you how to write a Java program to find all installed printers in your computer. So in our Eclipse, let's create a Java project and let's say just find printers. Alright, so we will have our find printers and keep it all default, and I'm using Java 1.8. If you are using some others, it's not a problem. Okay, so in this find printers project, let's have a class that will find the printers, right? So we also name is find printers, and let's put into our package from practicehouse.printer. All right, and it will have a main method. So we finish our class. So now you can see, let me make it big little bit for you. So now we have a main method and we have a simple class. Okay, so how we can find the printer that installed in our computer, right? So there we have a we call print service lookup. You can see that javax.print package has the print service lookup, and this print service lookup will help us to find out our installed printer. So let's see, if I print service lookup and if I click the dot, and I can see that this print service lookup has the lookup default print service and then lookup print services that also accept some parameters and everything. So we will discuss all these things. So let's just have this lookup default print services, and then you can see this lookup default print services from the method signature, it is actually returning us a print service, right? So we need a print service, whatever it is returning, right? So we say print service from the javax.print, yes, print service. So we call it as like a service. Okay, so now, or we can call it like a printer. Okay, so now whatever this printer is giving you, this the service we are getting. Okay, so now we can just simply sys out and can see printer dot get name. So you can see that we can find out what is the default printer in our computer, right? So let me run as a Java application, and you will see as a console that is called XP58. So this XP58 is my default printer. Let me check printers, and you can see this XP58 is the default printer of this machine. So this is how we can find out what is the default printer in our computer, right? But now let's say the scenario is that you have to find out all the installed printers from your computer, right? How can we do that? It's a very simple. Let's just show you here. You can see here, if you go to this lookup print services, select this lookup print services, and it's actually asking for a doc flavor and attribute set. Okay, what is doc flavor? Doc flavor is the flavor to print, like what kind of the flavor it will be, and the attribute set also, it helps you to set what type of attribute that you are gonna print. Okay, so this doc flavor and attribute set we are gonna check later when we will learn how to print from our application using to a specific printer or something. Okay, so for time being we just put it as a null. Okay, it will not have any problem. Yes, so then why it's red? Okay, now type mismatch. Okay, what is the mismatch? This lookup print service, this lookup print services actually returns an array of print service. So we need to make it as an array of a print service, and then you can actually have a lot of printers that actually installed in your computer. Okay, so why not we do a simple for here, that print service service, and then from where we can have from printers. Okay, and then we can just that service dot get name, so we can actually have all the printers that we have installed look through. Wow, I have actually many. Okay, all right, so you can see that I have many printers installed actually. Okay, so maybe let's make it little nicer. I equals to 1, and then we can say printer. Okay, and then I, and then all this concatenation. Okay, so now we can do something like this, and printer. So now it looks little something like this. So now, oh sorry, we did not I plus plus. So now you can see that printer 1 is this, printer 2 is this, and all these things. So right now, if your requirement is how to find all the installed printers, you just use the print service lookup class and then lookup print services method to get all the installed printers. Okay, and if you want to find the default printers, just use the default lookup print service that functions. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will learn how we can write some content into a specific, let's say now my default, so how can I write some content in this straight from our application, or maybe we have a requirement that we have to select a specific printers and print into that. Okay, so the next video will be on that. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new here, please subscribe and put some comments to know how it was. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.